Oh, good morning. Now we have the Star Wars General Grievous, and as you can see, his legs can bend, and his arms can also bend, and the arms, and you can see the back, his feet, and okay.
It's
And
nice.
it's the switch. If you turn it, his lightsabers is gonna turn, spinning hands.
And where's the button that you turn on?
You just push here, and then
Can he talk?
yes.
I will deal with the Jedi myself.
Nice.
And his head can go sideways and up and down. And I don't know much all of it, but he can walk. You just switch it back like that in the middle, then you can talk. And this is how we talk. His arm can like that, and that's all.
Thank you with Liam Riley Cook. Wow.